Dreaming of owning a luxury car at a fraction of the price? Beware. Here's how used luxury cars might be ripping off unsuspecting Indians. Used luxury cars may seem like a great deal, but hidden costs, high maintenance, and unexpected expenses could make them a financial nightmare. Let's explore why. A used luxury car costs 50 to 70% less than a new one. While the upfront cost seems affordable, this is often where the trap begins. Luxury cars have high maintenance costs, with parts, servicing, and labor being significantly more expensive than regular cars. A simple repair could cost you lakhs. Used luxury cars attract high insurance premiums and hefty taxes, adding to your recurring expenses, even if you bought the car at a low price. Most used luxury cars are sold without warranties, leaving you to bear the full cost of any major repairs or replacements. Luxury cars often have poor fuel efficiency compared to standard vehicles, meaning you'll spend more on fuel, especially for daily use. Older luxury cars, especially without proper maintenance history, may face frequent breakdowns, leaving you with mounting repair bills. Dealers often hide the car's history, including accidents, mileage tampering, or overdue maintenance, leaving buyers unaware of the risks. While used luxury cars can be tempting, they often come with hidden financial traps. Do your research, check the car's history, and consider the long-term cost before making a decision.